These 10 plugins are best for your Shopify store in 2022. Hello and welcome back to our channel, E-commerce Know-How. Shopify is a very simple way to start an online store, which is why over 500,000 merchants use their tools to run their sites. From marketing and payments to secure checkout and shipping, they handle it all. Once your Shopify store is up and running, there are numerous ways to make it stand out and help you get the most out of the platform. Sifting through all these plugins can be daunting, but don't worry, we're here to help. In today's video, we'll show you 10 Shopify plugins that are ideal for your store in 2022. If you're new here, please subscribe and enable notifications to receive future videos like this. Wishlist Plus is first on the list. If your website doesn't already have a wishlist option, you're seriously lacking. Adding a wishlist to an e-commerce site increases sales by 19.3%, according to Metrilio. This statistic should be enough to entice you to download Wishlist Plus right away, but if it isn't, we have some additional information about this app. It is not only simple to install and customize, but the user doesn't even need to be logged in to use the feature. The Smart Dashboard provides the shop owner with the wishlist activity metrics and reports. Owners can use this data to improve their site and increase sales. Next on the list is plugin SEO. You can't run a successful online store if your website isn't getting enough traffic. SEO is one of the most effective ways to increase traffic. And ultimately sales get done correctly. Over 90,000 Shopify store owners rely on plugin SEO to get the most bang for their buck when it comes to SEO. This Shopify plugin acts as your personal SEO assistant, checking your store on a regular basis and alerting you if any issues are discovered. Page titles, headings, meta descriptions, speed, blog post structure, content freshness, and other important aspects of search engine optimization are all examined. Another useful plugin is the free shipping bar. How often do you add one or two or more items to your cart in order to qualify for the converted free shipping? It's something we've all done. Fortunately, Shopify has a plugin specifically designed for this purpose. The free shipping bar app allows store owners to add a fully customizable bar displaying a free shipping offer at the top of their website. According to recent data, 88% of consumers will be more likely to shop online at a site that offers free shipping. What are you waiting for? This plugin is completely free and will help you increase sales and average cart value. So what are you waiting for? Currency Converter Bear is another important plugin. It allows you to convert your score pieces into 160 different currencies with a single click. With the push of a button, you can add currencies. The exchange rate is updated on a regular basis and is always up to date. When your customers relocate, it can automatically adjust its currency based on location. Other features include round converted prices, currency switcher design control, custom CSS, and custom JS inputs, and more for maximum control and flexibility. Another handy plugin is WhatsApp Chat and Messenger Chat. It's a simple plugin that allows visitors to contact you. With a single click on the chat bubble, they can compose a message in a familiar messenger, complete with questions, requests, and more. And you'll be able to respond and communicate from anywhere. This tool will also generate more leads through engagement. It boosts sales by increasing its ability to respond to customers, and the best part is that it's completely user-friendly. Simply enter your mobile phone number and you're done. The simplest WhatsApp conversation. Next on this list is Buy Button Channel. You can use this plugin to create a buy button for any of your products or collections to add to your site. The Buy Button editor in the Buy Button Channel app is one of the best features on the app. You can easily match the style and colors of your site's color palette and layout. This is a great way to keep your brand consistent. Then, when you're finished, simply copy and paste the HTML code into the platform where you want your beautiful button to appear. You can also create quick checkout links if desired. These do exactly what they say on the tin, directing buyers to your checkout page. These are fantastic for including in your social media ads. Another plugin on the list is Social Photos. It's critical for any store to establish credibility with first-time buyers, and Social Photos does just that through Instagram. When customers tag photos of themselves using your products on Instagram, Social Photos automatically collects these images and organizes them into a gallery. Every image can be linked directly to a product page, increasing sales. The plugin displays social proof and encourages customers to become well known on the site. When it comes to showcasing customer photos, Social Photos has truly thought of everything, from avoiding low quality images to how the photos are displayed. The app is ideal for anyone who wants to add a sense of community to their online store. Next on the list is the one-click social login plugin. The easier it is for new customers to set up an account, the more customers you will have. Customers can create accounts on a Shopify store using their existing social media credentials with one-click social login. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Amazon, Google+, Instagram, Meetup.com, Outlook, and Yahoo are all supported accounts. The plugin also includes an admin panel that allows you to keep track of your registered users with a single click. Another useful plugin is Pinterest. This enables you to quickly upload your product catalog and publish pins for products you sell. Use the Pinterest tag to track performance and keep your pins up to date with our daily automatic updates. Once you've uploaded your catalog, people on Pinterest can easily discover, save, and buy products from your website without you having to spend any money on advertising. You can also send campaigns to get more people to raise awareness, drive consideration, or get conversions from all your Shopify interface. The last plugin is Segundo Email Marketing. Segundo is a top-rated email service created specifically for Shopify. When you own a business, your most valuable asset is time. Other programs that support multiple commerce platforms or enterprise merchants may slow you down. Segundo was created to save you time and increase your efficiency. It also allows you to insert images from your Instagram feed, sync Facebook leads in real time, automate product review request emails, and realize customer tag automation for wholesale customers. Let us know in the comments section if we skipped any of your favorite plugins, and we'll see you in the next video.